If you're looking for a place to stay near NAIA Terminal 3 and Newport City, this condo unit called JamYnn Suite might be worth considering. Today, I'll show you the entire experience from finding the property, checking in, exploring the room, testing the amenities, and even the self-checkout process so you'll know exactly what to expect before booking. The property is located inside 81 Newport Boulevard in Newport City, Pasay. Finding it was quite straightforward. We are now here in the front of Orange Bucket. So from here we will find the property, which is in this entrance. So 81 Mall. So from here you go left. This is for cluster 1, 2, 3. Upon arrival at the main entrance, security personnel first verified my booking confirmation before allowing entry, which adds an extra layer of security for guests. During check-in, you are required to register by filling out a form on their computer system. And take note, valid ID is required. While waiting, I had the chance to explore the lobby area, which was clean, spacious, and well-maintained. And now it's time to check our room. My first impression was that the unit felt clean, bright, and surprisingly spacious. The room features a comfortable queen-size bed. After trying it myself, the mattress provided good support and felt comfortable enough for a restful night's sleep. There's also a sofa bed which can be useful for additional guests or simply for relaxing while watching television. If the body is like me, it can be two people. Here is one person and this is for another person. For remote workers and digital nomads, there's also a dedicated workspace complete with a comfortable chair and proper desk lighting. A dining table is also available, making it convenient for takeout meals or getting some work done. Entertainment is covered with a smart TV where you can enjoy your favorite streaming services. A refrigerator is also provided for storing drinks, snacks, and other food items. One thing I appreciated was the air conditioner. It cooled the room efficiently while operating quietly, making it easier to sleep. For guests who prefer preparing their own meals, the suite includes kitchen essentials such as a stove and basic cooking utensils. So we have here the utensils, scissor, so everything is here. There is a can opener also, and there is this. Everything you need is here. There's also an electric kettle which became part of my morning coffee routine during my stay. And this is my favorite part. You can have your coffee here while enjoying the view from this terrace. It's so relaxing. That is the NAIA tree, very near as you can see. I also noticed several thoughtful touches throughout the room, including a magazine holder and a dedicated key box, making it easier to keep track of your room key. An intercom system is installed inside the unit, allowing guests to contact building personnel when needed. The bathroom was clean and came with complete toiletries so guests can travel lighter. A wardrobe is also available for organizing clothes during longer stays. There's also an umbrella. You can also check the weight of your baggage. Then there is iron. The unit even provides a bathrobe, adding a small hotel-like touch to the overall experience. Guests also have access to the swimming pool area, which is well-maintained and ideal for relaxing or cooling off. For fitness enthusiasts, there's also a gym available within the property.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
My departure was early in the morning, so I experienced the property's self-checkout procedure. We'll check the cluster here. We'll put the key here. So if you're looking for a condo-style accommodation near the airport that offers both comfort and practicality, JamYnn Suite is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next travel review.